So, hello everyone, this is Sankalp Sahu, and today we'll be looking at this tool that we have built that can analyze a company in 2 minutes. So, this is the GPT that we have built, and you can access it in the free ChatGPT app as well. The best part about this GPT is that you don't need to give any prompt. Using this is as easy as sending a message on WhatsApp. So, the only thing you need to type is the name of the company you want to analyze. For example, Infosys, right? What this GPT does is that it goes through all the publicly available documents of that company. It may be the annual report, the conference calls, the research reports published by various brokerages, and also the credit rating reports. The AI goes through all of these reports, reads through all of the findings and all of the researches that has been done in those documents, and gives you a very detailed point wise summary. So I'll put enter for the broad categories that has been incorporated in this GPT. First is the business model. What exactly is the business of the company? Then the strategic developments that has happened in the near term. Example, the order book, the expansion that is doing, and the risk related to that, and also a commentary on the management, the recent milestones or the recent significant events that has happened in the company, and a summary of all of that, then a competitive analysis of what are the related companies there and how they are performing. And then at the end, you have recent news that has happened and also a commentary on the valuation. And the most important thing is that it just doesn't give you a very generic summary, but it gives you all the significant details along with the source to that information. So for now, it says that software accounting is 94.54% of the total revenue. Then there is a clear article that is linked to it, which I can click, and then I can go and I can refer where that information is coming from. So when I come here, 94.5% of revenue is coming from software business. So you're not just looking at the summary, you're also looking at the sources of this summary, which enhances the credibility of this report. The order book, $17.7 billion as in Q4 alone. So Q4 results has just been out 1 or 2 months. And all this latest news has been incorporated into this. So that was it today. I have been using this GPT from last 2-3 weeks, and it has been very helpful in my workflow as an investor, as a chartered accountant. So I thought I would share it with you guys, and you can build it yourself as well. If you want to see us using these AI tools to automate more and more finance part going in future, then follow this account. See you later.